really do.
My bad. Did it get in your mouth?
He got all over me, man.
Lock your fingers there. That's it.
And then how you swing it?
You don't need to get that close to me, okay?
I'm so sorry. We cool? I'm sorry.
No, we're not.
You got it, man.
Jack just got out of prison.
All right, guys. What's good, man? What is good? What is great? Let me eat that cake.
I gotta eat the cake. I love the party.
Guys, man. So what's good here, man? It's RDB here, official, man. Official. Hold on, let me do a little intro. I haven't did an intro for y'all I feel like in a while, man. What's good, it's your boy, that boy, cause I'm on that boy, man. Hey! Banger Rays back for another day, man. You know what I'm saying? We back here at I don't even know if y'all can see that, but we at Walmart finna terrorize people of the city. I'm finna come in here do the sneezing prank. Got this little spray. Got this spray bottle right here, man. And I'm finna achoo. You know what I'm saying? Achoo. You feel me? But act like I'm seasoning them up. Feel me? And then get the reaction. I'm gonna do a little bit more other stuff too. I'm wanting to get at least 2 vids out today. I wanna do 2 vids today, so I'm gonna come in here, go crazy. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. But y'all, man, I've just been here, lit, thinking about ideas and shit. Always is forever just like a goofball. But now that we finna get in here and go crazy, let's get it. Oh, my bad.
Truly, you didn't do just that.
My bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. I didn't mean to. We cool? I'm sorry.
No, we're not.
My bad, man. I didn't mean to. I have allergies.
Did you just actually? You better give me something to wipe that with, man.
Oh, here you go. I don't want no problems.
Okay.
You want the pants? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. You're not gonna beat my ass or nothing? Not hold on. It was a prank. It was a prank. It was a spray bottle. It was water. It was water.
I hope you're fine.
It was water. It was water. It was water. You good, bro? You good? Have a good day.
That's crazy.
Niggas murder me, boy. That nigga's been hitting me with every fighting style move that nigga knew. Oh God. Are these pressure washers?
Well, sort of. Pressure washers, you're looking with something with a motor. Like those are on the bottom of pressure washers.
Mm-hmm. All those like the base of it?
Yeah, with the engine on and everything on them. Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I know what you're doing.
Sorry. What I'm doing?
You got a spray bottle.
Okay, thank you for not beating my ass. You look strong. I ain't gonna lie, you look strong.
I've seen it on TikTok and every place else. So I mean, it's so.
W.O. man.
Huh?
W.O. man. W. You're a W.
Nope.
All right.
What W? What?
Like, what's your pronouns?
Nope. I don't play that.
Yeah. How do you feel about it?
I don't play it.
All right. Have a great day, man.
Yeah.
W white man again. Like, why is all these white old niggas nice, chat? You know, like, what's up? Like, do I gotta? You still recording? Do I gotta get it? Excuse me. Oh, my bad.
Go.
My bad, man.
Please go.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Go. It's not a joke. Go do what else y'all gonna do. TikTok shit, get away.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Can you pound me?
Nope.
I'm sorry, man. I really didn't mean to. That nigga was livid. That nigga was livid. Livid. You golf any?
Yes.
You golf? What you think the best, like, you know what I'm saying? I already hit it a hole in one.
This boy's a motherfucking dummy.
You know? What you think the best one is? Is this a pretty good one? I'm trying to get into golfing. Is that a good one or not?
I would say 3 iron, or so 3 metal wood's what it is. And typically, hole in one might be 150 to 200 yards, and typically when you get to swinging pretty good, you're gonna hit that about 230. So that's more club.
Can you show me like the correct way to like hold it? Like, can you get behind me and like show me?
I'm not a professional, okay? I'm an amateur golfer. But you grip the club, interlock your fingers there. That's it.
And then how you swing it?
You don't need to get that close to me, okay?
Oh, my bad. I was just...
Okay, I'm just telling you this. Hold your fingers straight in line with the head of the club and take it back. Boom! Yeah. Okay. But you try to do flex your knees a little bit.
Look back at it like that?
But don't.
Well, you know I'm really spicy. Ain't that motherfucking moving?
Don't weave. You just kind of try to keep your head kind of still. That's what I know about it.
Oh, okay. How many hole in ones you ever got?
No, 0.
You ain't get none?
No.
So how the hell you think you can teach me then, man?
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
You don't tell me, like, for instance, you walked on me twice in the last 2 minutes and sneezed down my fucking neck. Don't fucking tell me that.
Where the fuck this nigga go? Come on. Yo, I just saw somebody, but this nigga just disappeared. You saw that nigga in this lane, right? That nigga gonna lost it. Nah, though, y'all, man. I'm finna find that nigga and get him. He ain't escaping this. There ain't no escape. Be down. He's down here. Achoo. Oh, my bad.
Really, dude?
My bad. I didn't mean to.
What do you got in your hand?
Oh, nothing.
Sneeze.
I sneezed on accident. It's pollen. My bad. You want to hug it out?
Nah, hell, dude.
You want to hug it out? Come on, let's hug it out.
Nah, you better go somewhere.
What's the matter, man? I'm sorry.
That's all right, but I ain't gonna be hugging nobody. Not no man.
Why not?
Cause.
It's like that's sus.
Say what?
It's sus. Like you don't swing that way.
No, fuck no.
Why not? What's wrong with it?
Cause I don't.
Okay. So like you can't hug it out though.
No.
I do apologize for sneezing on you.
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. These shower heads. Keep working. Did you get it? You got it? That's why we couldn't see his ass. He just dug down. I knew I wasn't tripping though. I knew I wasn't crazy. We're gonna bust his left. My bad. I'm sorry.
Oh, I thought I felt something.
I'm so sorry, sir.
That's okay.
You're not gonna beat my ass or anything?
Me? No. Mad? Nah.
Oh, okay. All right. We cool?
You're cool.
All right. How old are you, sir?
Thought maybe there was a leak.
Oh.
Do what now?
You not have COVID-33? COVID-33? You ever heard of that? That's what I got.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But yeah. How old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
78.
78. You got any grandkids?
I have 3.
That's a blessing. That's
Yes,
a
it
blessing.
is.
That
It
is a
is.
blessing. Which one of your grandkids are the favorite?
My 8-year-old granddaughter.
Dang.
Then the next one's 17, and then the other's 23. So
Them teenagers. Yep.
yeah, but my granddaughter now. That's a different story,
How many bitches you used to get back in the day?
sir.
How many females you used to get back in the day? Like back in your heyday?
Oh, not
Come
a
on
whole
now.
lot.
Oh.
No.
I used to geek.
Yeah.
He's a little pushover nerd.
Yeah. I
You used to get
guess so.
swirlies.
Yeah. Of course, back in those days. Now you're talking. Back in the 50s.
Like during slavery?
It was a lot. No, it wasn't that far.
Oh.
Not
okay, now.
1850.
Ah, okay. I thought it was, yeah, you know what I'm saying? you marched in the Civil Rights Movement?
I did not.
What you do for Black History Month?
What did I do? Nothing
Yeah.
special.
You didn't do anything for the Black community to show your appreciation and say sorry for everything you did? Your
I
ancestors?
didn't do anything. I didn't do the first thing.
You right. It's bigger than black and white?
You realize,
Bigger than black and white.
although a lot of white people that came to this country back in the 1500s, 1600s, they were in what they called indentured servants. They weren't slaves, but they were indentured servants.
Hell no, man.
To
What the
whoever
fuck,
paid
man?
their wages
Get
for
your
at least
ass
7
on,
years.
boy.
Yeah.
What about us niggas, though?
They had to buy food. Well, you all were forced over.
So we was forced
So
into
it's a
slavery,
different story.
Uh-huh.
These people, they kind of got out of prison, but they were in a prison without bars.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
They were in the same boat because then when they
What boat?
for their food and anything else they needed, they had to pay additional years. So how did they get away out of that? They went west. Where
West Side?
where civilization wasn't. Much like the Underground Railroad. All right, the black slaves had to go north
Right.
to get out of slavery, where the indentured servants, they just had to go to the wilderness.
So who you think had it harder?
You know what? That's hard to say.
So like, do you you stand with slavery? Like, do you wish slavery would come back?
No, it's not right. Not right.
I'm dropping a tear right now.
That's not right.
Thank
And
you.
That's what Hitler wanted.
Thank you. I thought I was, I was feeling bad about myself.
No,
you
you shouldn't feel bad about yourself. They've come a long way. I say you may not remember Virginia Slim cigarettes, but they were talking about
No, I don't do
women
cigs.
smoking.
Yeah, I do crack.
And one of the
Right.
advertising
What's the
slogans
crack?
was, "You've come a long way, baby." Well, that's what
You said I'm a
all
crack
can say.
baby?
I've come a long way.
Oh, long way.
A long way. You all as a race have come a long way.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, my bad, bro.
Damn, bro.
My bad. I didn't mean to.
It's all good.
Did it get in your mouth?
You got all over me, man.
Wait a minute.
Gay!
I'm so sorry, man. I didn't mean to, bro.
You're not sick, are you?
I have COVID like 38. I'm sorry. It's afraid.
Bro, that shit'll kill. Ain't something you fuck around
Oh
with.
shit, my bad, bro. It was just water, gang. It was just water. I'm sorry.
I mean, it's probably not a good idea rolling around here doing shit like that.
My bad, man. Have a good day.
That's stupid. Someone's gonna get you fucking hurt.
Have a good day, man. That nigga's sick for what, boy? Where the fuck did my cameraman go, chat?
Shut up, bitch!
Only worrying about my pay, if you wanna play, we sending them up on the sky. Tell that bitch get out my face, she wanna dance, I'm tryna roll up and get high. We smoking a Zai, we pull up and slide. She wanting the truth, but I tell her a lie. But I'm fucking her good and I'm making her cry. But she mine regardless.